What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another fishing mission. Back out here at the waterfall today. If you guys are not familiar with the channel, this waterfall is holding monsters. I've caught multiple PBs out of here, so we're out here today looking for them. Got the cast net. We're gonna throw that around, get some bait, get them in the water, see if we can find them. Let's go. All right, first thing we gotta do is get some bait. Try over here in this corner. One. All right, we got our first piece of bait here. Nice little bluegill. Put him on this rig right here. Underneath the bobber. Tuck him through the back just like that. We're gonna cast him right over here to where this water's coming out. Perfect. We're gonna get another one. All right, there's another one. Couple more. All right, we're gonna use this guy right here because he's nice and bright. A little pumpkin seed or something. Hook him up the same way, right through the back. All right, we got two in there. I'm gonna tie some up on my other pole. Throw that around, see if we can catch one with some artificial stuff. Let's go. Oh, right here, as I was about to pull it out the water. Are you kidding me? First fish, tiny bass. Chill out, buddy. First fish of the day, tiny bass. I was just about to pull it out of the water. Right here next to this bank, too. That's crazy. Little rooster tail. Something's got this. I think it's a gardo. So I'm gonna just let it have it for now. Might have dropped it. Yeah, I think it did. He didn't drop it. I got him. I got him. Stay on. Please stay on. baby. Oh. Is that a catfish? That's a catfish. It is. Oh my God. Are you serious? You guys. Are you kidding me? Look at this catfish. All right, y'all. Look at this catfish. Are you kidding me? First fish of the day is a freaking giant. I gotta get a weight on this thing. All right. Zeroed out. Locked in. 6.86 pounds, almost 7-pounder, baby. That is what I'm talking about. That's a nice one too. Got one. Let's go. What do we got here? Oh, just a small channel catfish. This is on just a small live bluegill. Let's go. Light's picking up now that the sun is coming up a little bit. Oh dang, he got it weird. All right, there we go. Fish number 3. Nothing to write home about, but it's another fish. We got one. What is this? Drum. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I ain't caught a drum yet this year. It's the first drum of the year. And of course, he got it all the way down his throat. All right, there goes that drum. Drum is delicious too, so he's going on a stringer. Got another one. What do we got here? Something small. What is this? Small wiper or white bass? What is this? Yeah, just a baby wiper. Or it might be a white bass. Give me that back. Let's go, fish number 5. I think that's just a white bass. It's on a bottom rig too. Still alive. I'm sending him back out there. Let's go. Another one. Oh, this one feels a little better. What is this? It's gotta be a catfish the way it's fighting. Come on, buddy. Come on. What is it? I can't even see it yet. Oh, 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 oh. Yep, catfish. Another massive one. Are you kidding me right now? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's go, baby. Fish number 6. That's another good one. I'm gonna get a weight on this guy too. All right, let's get a weight on this second one. 5.30 pounds, baby. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. He going on a stringer too. Yes, sir. All right, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and call it a day there. Got to the midday here and the bite has died down. Heck of a morning though. Caught a 5 and almost a 7-pound catfish. 4 different species overall, so great morning. Appreciate y'all tuning in today. Make sure you like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.